Let us explore the Hubble Space Telescope, HST, first. The Hubble Space Telescope, HST, is one of the most iconic and important scientific instruments ever launched into space. It was named after American astronomer Edwin Hubble, who was responsible for discovering that the universe is expanding. The HST was launched on April 24, 1990, aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery. It was the first telescope designed to be serviced and upgraded by astronauts, which has allowed it to continue operating for over 3 decades. The HST has made many groundbreaking discoveries, including the detection of dark energy and the confirmation of the existence of supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies. One of the HST's primary strengths is its ability to capture high-resolution images of astronomical objects. Its location in space, above the Earth's atmosphere, means that it can capture images that are not distorted by atmospheric turbulence. The HST's primary mirror is 2.4 meters, 7.9 feet, in diameter, which was considered large at the time of its launch but is now much smaller than that of the Jameswebb Space Telescope. However, the HST's instruments and upgrades have allowed it to produce some of the most stunning images of the universe ever captured. The HST has been instrumental in studying many areas of astronomy, including galaxy formation and evolution, the search for exoplanets, and the study of dark matter and dark energy. Some of the HST's most famous images include the Pillars of Creation in the Eagle Nebula and the Hubble Ultra Deep Field, which captured thousands of galaxies in a single image. One of the most significant challenges facing the HST is its age. The telescope has been in space for over 3 decades, and its instruments and systems are starting to show signs of wear and tear. However, the HST has been upgraded and serviced several times by astronauts, including a final servicing mission in 2009 that replaced some of its key instruments and extended its lifespan. In 2018, the HST experienced a significant technical issue when one of its gyroscopes failed. This caused the telescope to go into safe mode, and its scientific operations were temporarily suspended. However, engineers were able to diagnose and fix the problem, and the HST has since resumed scientific operations. Despite its age and technical challenges, the HST continues to make important discoveries and produce stunning images of the universe. It has been described as one of the most productive scientific instruments ever created, with thousands of research papers published based on its observations. The HST's future is uncertain, as it is expected to reach the end of its operational lifespan in the next few years. NASA is currently developing the Jameswebb Space Telescope as the HST's successor, but there are no immediate plans to replace the HST. It is likely that the HST will eventually be decommissioned and allowed to burn up in the Earth's atmosphere, but its legacy and contributions to science will be remembered for many years to come. In conclusion, the Hubble Space Telescope has been a groundbreaking and iconic scientific instrument that has revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Its ability to capture high-resolution images and make important discoveries has made it one of the most important telescopes ever launched into space. While its future is uncertain, its legacy and contributions to science will be remembered for many years to come. Jameswebb Space Telescope. The Jameswebb Space Telescope is a massive undertaking that has been in the works for over 2 decades. The project began as a collaboration between NASA, ESA, and CSA in 1996, with the goal of creating a telescope that would be capable of studying the early universe, the formation of stars and galaxies, and the properties of exoplanets. One of the primary reasons for the development of the Jameswebb Space Telescope is that it will allow scientists to see further back in time than ever before. Because light takes time to travel, the further away we look, the further back in time we are seeing. The Hubble Space Telescope has already provided us with stunning images of galaxies that existed when the universe was only a few 100 million years old, but the Jameswebb Space Telescope will be able to see even further back. With its larger mirror and infrared capabilities, it will be able to peer through the dust and gas clouds that obscure visible light and reveal the earliest galaxies in the universe. Another major goal of the James Webb Space Telescope is to study the formation of stars and planetary systems within our own Milky Way galaxy. By observing the birth of stars and their surrounding disks of gas and dust, scientists hope to learn more about how planets form and evolve. The telescope's infrared instruments will also allow us to study the atmospheres of exoplanets and search for signs of life. The development of the James Webb Space Telescope has been a long and difficult process. The telescope's mirror, which is made up of 18 hexagonal segments, had to be carefully crafted to maintain its shape in the extreme temperatures of space. The telescope's sunshield, which is about the size of a tennis court, is made up of 5 layers of a special material that will protect the telescope from the heat of the sun and the cold of space. One of the biggest challenges of the James Webb Space Telescope project has been its cost. The telescope has had a budget of over $10 billion, and its launch has been delayed several times due to technical issues and budget overruns. However, many scientists and space enthusiasts believe that the telescope will be worth the investment, as it has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. The launch of the James Webb Space Telescope took place on December 25, 2021 at 5:20 p.m. GMT+5, and it will be carried into space on an Ariane 5 rocket. Once in space, the telescope will be positioned at the second Lagrange point, L2, which is a stable point in space located about 1.5 million kilometers, approximately 930,000 miles, from Earth. The telescope will orbit the Sun and will be able to observe the same patch of sky for months at a time. In conclusion, the James Webb Space Telescope is a groundbreaking project that has the potential to transform our understanding of the universe. Its larger mirror and infrared capabilities will allow us to see further back in time and study the formation of stars and planets in our own galaxy and beyond. While the project has faced significant challenges and delays, its launch in late 2021, updated to late 2022, will be a major milestone in space exploration.